What's up, you guys? How you doing? So today's video is a DIY. Of course, we're going to be doing justice to this old and worn out top and making it into something new, something fresh. So stay tuned to see the finished results. Yeah, let's get into the video. You're going to need the top you're going to cut, your needle and thread, your scissors, your chalk, and your ruler. Yes. So we're going to start off by drawing the outline of the top and how we want it to look like. I wanted it to be a one-handed top, and since I didn't have the right pattern and the right layout I could use, your girl had to improvise. So I used one of my tank tops and folded it in such a way it gave me what I actually wanted. And the outline there I'm drawing is going to help me cut out the top and get it to the right form and how I want it. As you can see, the top is starting to take form. So next, I'm going to cut this here. I won't remove this because I think I'll need it, but I'm going to cut this here and sew everything in place for it to look neat. As you can see, the top turned out looking so nice. So I used a strap from the previous top and cut it out and put it across the chest to give the top a more edgy look, make it not look as simple as it was. And I liked it. So if you like it, share, comment, subscribe, and let's grow the family.